We are InnoFab, Innovation Factory, a multidisciplinary team that consists of industrial designers, software, and hardware engineers. Over the last year, we've been developing an innovative device to measure lung capacity. Having observed existing pulmonary function testing experiences and gathering design-actionable insights, we conducted extensive primary research focusing on user experience, trends, market dynamics, and technology. What we realized was that quantified self is a huge and increasing trend with a $5 billion market size and over 50 million customers. We track everything about our health: our steps, heart rate, body temperature, weight, body fat, and many other things, except one significant thing: our pulmonary health. Pulmonary functions have a significant role in our health. Not caring for our lungs and respiratory system may cause numerous chronic diseases, which will eventually affect our quality of life. Being aware of pulmonary health data through quantification is not only important for people with asthma, COPD, or people who want to quit smoking, but for the general population as well. Having iterated on numerous prototypes, we decided to create a personal device that will help us track our pulmonary data and improvements on a regular basis. Knowing our lungs and respiratory function data, we could alter our lifestyles to improve our health and way of life. SpiroHome is your personal pulmonary function companion that guides you with motivating and interactive feedback. The PCT patent-pending SpiroHome turns the experience of going through the challenging breathing maneuvers which is required to accomplish lung function tests into a motivating and playful action. As you collect pulmonary data, you can track your improvement and share with your community. You can also share your results with your doctors to get professional medical advice, or you can challenge your friends to catch up with your improvement.